Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I'm a booktuber and I'm making video on this book. The name of this book is Practice of Brahmacharya. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way, friends. Okay. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you'll understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing 18 video, 20 video, 43 video, there is quite possibility that you get confused, friends. Okay. And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comments, friends. Okay. And friends, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. So I will spell it for you, friends. Okay. It's ABHIMANYU BHATTACHARJE 1906. Okay. And friends, in our last topic, I have covered the topic called in my last video. I have covered the topic called a warning against evil sex habits and outburst of anger. To this topic. So in our today's video, I am going to cover the topic called importance of proper food and evacuation. This topic, friends. Okay. And friends, this is 39 number topic and the name of the topic is importance of proper food and evacuation. So let us see what Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay. Most of the disease take their origin in overeating. Observe moderation in diet. So here Swami Sivananda is telling to us that most of the disease that comes into our body, it is because of overeating. So we need to observe the moderation in our diet, right? Avoid late supers. So Swami Sivananda is telling that we should avoid late supers. The evening meal should be light and eaten before 6 or 7 a.m. So here Swami Shivananda is telling that evening meal should be eaten before 6 a.m. or 7 a.m. because the sunset happens, and after sunset you know the digestion doesn't have happen proper. So after sunset we should not eat food. So this Swami Shivananda is telling to us in this topic. If possible, take milk and fruits only at night. So Swami Shivananda is telling if possible you can take milk and fruits only in night. No solid or liquid should be taken after sunset. Yeah. Swami Sivananda is telling no solid or liquid should be taken after sunset. So after sunset we should avoid all kind of intake of all kind of food, friends. Okay. So this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. When you take milk, mix ginger essence in it. Or boil crushed ginger with milk before taking the milk. So Swami Sivananda is telling if you take milk, then you what you can do is you can take ginger in the milk or you can crush ginger and boil it in the milk. Give up hot chutneys, garlics, onion and pungets food stuff. So Swami Sivananda is telling we should not eat hot chutneys, garlic, onion and pungenet. It's PUNGENT and food stuff. So this type of thing we should not eat, right? Hot curries, chilies and chutneys make the semen watery and lead to frequent wet dreams. So Swami Sivananda is telling if you eat hot curries, chilies and chutneys, which is going to make your semen watery and which is going to lead to frequent wet dreams. So we should not let our semen be watery by eating this kind of food, friends. Okay. So this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. Take bland, soothing, non-irritating, simple food. So we should take a bland, soothing, and non-irritating, and we should eat a simple food. Give up smoking, liquor, tea, coffee, meat, and fish. So Swami Sivananda is telling we should give up smoking, we should give up liquor, like alcohol, anything like tea, coffee, meat, and fish. We should give up all these things. We should not consume all these things, friends. Okay. So this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. When there is any inclination for mic- micturition at night, immediately get up to empty the bladder. So Swami Sivananda is telling when there is an inclination in the micturious at the night, and we should get up immediately to empty our bladder. So it's basically if you feel like urine, go in the washroom, get up at night and do urine. So we should not sleep if you're getting urine without doing urine. We should not sleep. We should do toilet and we should sleep. So this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. A loaded bladder is the cause of wet dream. So yes, Swami Sivananda is telling a loaded bladder is always a reason of a wet dream. So your bladder should always be empty when you're going to sleep. Before retiring to bed, answer the calls of the nature. So Swami Sivananda is telling uh, uh, before retiring to the bed, we should answer the calls of the nature. It's very important to answer the call of the nature. If there is severe constipation and the bowels are loaded, they will press the vesicle seminal, and consequently there will be discharge at night. So Swami Swananda is telling, if there is a constipation and vesicle seminal, so there is a chances of getting discharge at night. So it's very important that you do toilet and you sleep, friends. Okay, do toilet, you do latrine, and you sleep. So Swami Swananda is telling to us in this topic. To relieve constipation, the use of the enema is the most essential. So, Swami Swayananda is stating to release constipation, the use of enema is most essential. So, you should do enema to release constipation, right? The use of laxatives is not of much benefit as it creates heat in the body. So Swami Sivananda is telling the use of laxative is not that much beneficial. How much? Because it creates a heat in our body, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. Never stop the urge to call, to answer the call of the nature. So Swami Sivananda is telling we should never stop the urge to answer the call of the nature. So it's very important for us to answer the call of the nature. If worms are present in the bowels, remove them by a dose of worm powder in the night and take a purgative of castor oil the following morning. So Swami Sivananda is telling if the worm is present, we should remove the worms from our body. This will keep the bowel regular. So by this our bowel is going to be regular. So this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. Sometimes the discharge take place on account of excess of heat in the body. So Swami Swananda is telling sometime nightfall happen due to the excessive heat in our body. Excess of walking or traveling, eating a large quantity of sweet meats or chilies and salt. So Swami Sivananda is telling because heat happens in our body because excess of walking, excess of traveling, excess of eating tea, coffee, chilies. So this creates a heat in our body. So we should avoid all these things, friends. Avoid dainty dishes, sauces, saviors, and pastries. So Swami Sivananda is telling we should avoid the dainty dishes that is sauces, savories, and also the pastries. Have occasional fast, say once in a week. So we should have an occasional fast once in a week. So once in a week we should fast, we should not eat anything. So this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. Do not drink even water on those fasting days. So Swami Sivananda is telling that we should not even water also in the fasting days. Do not ride too much on the bicycle. So Swami Sivananda is telling that we should not ride too much on the bicycle. Chew pieces of yellow variety of harad or myrobalan very often. So Swami Swananda is telling we should chew the pieces of yellow variety and the harad which is myrobalan very often. When there is frequent discharge, dissolve 2 pinches of camphor in a cup of milk and take it occasionally at night. So there Swami Sivananda is telling when there is too much discharge of the semen at the night, nightfall happen. So we should take a pinch of camphor in the milk in the night and we should drink it. Take half a seer of milk in the early morning and half a seer at night. So Swami Sivananda is telling we should take a half a seer of milk in the early morning and half a seer of milk in at the night. So friends, this topic came to an end. In our today's topic, I covered the concept called importance of proper food and evacuation. In our next topic, I am going to cover the topic called get up before 4 a.m. So this is going to be the topic which I am going to cover in the next video. So friends, this came to an end. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care, and I'll meet you in the next video, friends. Till then, goodbye. Take care. Okay.